Hi, move over. Beauty advent calendars. Fragrance advent calendars seem to be the next big thing, and all the brands are jumping on the bandwagon and having their own fragrance advent calendars out. Space NK is the latest, and their fragrance advent calendar, the price is £150. It looks like that. The design is very, the branding is in keeping with their beauty advent calendar for this year. Now, this contains 16 products. It is a 12-day advent calendar, and there are 4 full sizes. The net worth is apparently more than 500. We will see if all that is true. So the first product is the 11 fragrance oil. 10 mils you get. Sorry, 20 mils is full-sized. Let us not count it. Next you have the Boy Smells Rose Load EDP. 10 mils is all you get. 65 mils is full-sized. Sorry again, not going to count it. Next you have from Floral Street Sweet Almond Blossom EDP. 10 mils is all you get, but 50 mils is full-size. The 10 mil version retails at £28. You can count that at the end after adding up just the full sizes if you want. Next you have the Ellis Brooklyn Myth. Again, 10 mils is all you get. Full size is 50 mils. The 50 mil version retails at £110. The 10 mil version does retail at £32. You can count it if you want. Next, from Eccentric Molecules, you have the Eccentric 02 refill, but that refill is 30 mils, which retails at £45. Again, this is something that you can count at the end. We have added this refill before. The next product is from Laura Mercier. It is the Amber Vanilla EDP. Now, I have the Amber Vanilla EDT, and it is a glorious. Amber Vanilla is my favorite fragrance from Laura Mercier. Now, you get 50 mils, which is indeed full-sized, retailing at £70. I call this a very good inclusion. If you like the Boom Boom Cream, you'll adore Amber Vanilla. Amber Vanilla is the Boom Boom Cream without the annoying clawing over sweetness. If you find that that overly sweet, or the sweetness a bit much, Amber Vanilla is a classier Boom Boom Cream for me. It is very gourmand. It is very, vanilla, obviously, but it is, classier than, more sophisticated than the Boom Boom Cream. The EDT doesn't last as long as I would like. Let's hope the EDP does better. Next you have from Malin & Guts the Dark Rum Perfume Oil. 9 mils is what you get. That is actually full-sized, being a perfume oil, people, and retails at £29. Next you have from Juliet Has a Gun the Sunlust Perfume. 10 mils is all you get. Full-size, 50 mils and 100 mils. I love Juliet Has a Gun Lipstick Fever. I also like Gentlewoman and Lady Vengeance from Juliet Has a Gun. Next you have from Byredo the Balda Freak. 8 mils is all that you get. Full size is 50 mils. Let us not count it. Acqua di Parma Colonia Club is next. The EDC, people. 12 mils is all you get. Full sizes are 50 mils and 100 mils. Again, not going to count it. Next you have from Rose Inc. a limited edition candle. 190 grams, indeed full size, retailing at $42 or £36. The other fragrance advent calendars, such as the Harrods fragrance advent calendar, did not include scented candles in there. I feel that scented candles, are more beauty advent calendar than fragrance advent calendar. They're just going and putting them in both. Why would you do that? Either put your scented candle only in your beauty advent calendar or only in your fragrance advent calendar. Both, that's a bit much. Next you have the Jo Loves
Pomelo.
15 mils is all you get. 50 mils is full-sized. Again, not counting it. Next, Maison Margiela Lazy Sunday Morning. 7 mils. 50 mils is full-sized. Next, Tory Burch Electric Sky. 10 mils. 50 mils is full-sized. Now from Floral Street you have another candle as well. This is a Sweet Almond Blossom candle. You only get 75 grams of it. Full size is 200 grams. Lastly, from Diptyque O Capital Hair Mist. 30 mils you get, which is indeed full size, retailing at £55. Now, very quickly, let us add the prices of those 4 products. Laura Mercier EDP, £70. Malin & Guts Perfume Oil, £29. You get £99. Rose Inc Candle, £36. You get £135. And the Diptyque Hair Mist, £55. You get £190. So the 4 full sizes still come up to £190, which is more than the cost of the advent calendar at 150 quid. But for me, the Harrods Advent calendar, the fragrance, Harrods Fragrance Advent calendar is far superior to this. I feel they included very good sizes, better sizes, more value items, more niche perfumes, very, very niche perfumes. Now, I don't care if they include designer perfumes or niche perfumes, as long as the value is that I feel that Harrods had better value. And Harrods kind of set the bar there, kind of nailed it, you know, and everybody else is falling short. That's a feeling that I'm getting. But I feel that this is better than the Beauty Advent calendar, more fun. The usual pool of brands and products are not there. We will be seeing a lot of eccentric molecules and mini candles in fragrance advent calendars in coming years, and become very, very sick of them, as sick as we are of our usual suspect beauty advent calendar products. But next year, I fully expect even more fragrance advent calendars to be there. You know, they're all going to, you know, jump on this bandwagon and want to, you know, piece of the cash out there. The other thing is, you know, with fragrance advent calendars, they're not obviously going to be able to ship worldwide because of all the aerosol and sprays and things, which is a big bummer. Because, you know, if it's a beauty advent calendar, at least there's a chance that it ships worldwide. Now, I think the best way forward would be for them to sort of partition beauty advent calendars and fragrance advent calendars. That way, they can ship beauty advent calendars worldwide, and the fragrance advent calendars can be domestic only. Instead, you know, they go and put fragrance in beauty advent calendars, and then there are fragrance advent calendars. Neither can ship anywhere. So, you know, no one is outside of a particular country is going to get a single advent calendar at that rate. So dividing these would be a good idea going forward. Now, I personally don't particularly like receiving fragrance in my advent calendars because they send you A, tiny samples, B, fragrances are very personal. I mean, I like looking at notes. I blind bought perfume. I enjoy blind buying perfume. But fragrance, you know, for me, certain notes matter, certain other notes I can't stand. So, you know, when you receive something in an advent calendar, invariably the fragrance is the big bummer that. Which is why I think, you know, if they have specific fragrance advent calendars, it would be a good thing. It's very separate from the beauty advent calendars. All in all, I think this is better than Space NK's beauty advent calendar, or pretty much most beauty advent calendars out there, but it does pale very much in comparison to the Harrods fragrance advent calendar, which was kind of over there. So what do you think? Will you be getting the Space NK fragrance advent calendar? Do you think fragrance advent calendars are indeed the next big thing and will be more popular as time passes? And will you be getting this? Or do you want it if you do have a chance at it, even if it doesn't ship to you? Do let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.